Hello friends, are you interested in learning Kannada language? You're at the right place to learn Kannada. Thank you for showing your interest about this fantastic language. If you follow the steps, soon you will be speaking in Kannada with others. So, what are the best ways to learn Kannada language? In this video, we tell you how to speak the spoken Kannada, follow the steps, we provide quick tricks, right approach, right tools, references, and the video links. So there are 7 methods given to easily learn spoken Kannada. You can go through the entire video. You can do some of these steps in parallel too. Make use of the references given in the video. So step 1. Why? You should know why to learn Kannada. You may be thinking how this can be step itself. Yes, that's true. When you know the objective, why you are doing something, then your half of the problem is solved. So let's answer the question. Why not? As an Indian, you support every Indian language. These are our national treasure. Kannada is one of the oldest languages in India, more than 2000 years. Interesting to know why it survived so long. It is 99.99% scientific language. Learn to know how. Kannada has its own amazing script. Learn to appreciate that script. In Kannada, you write what you speak and you speak what you write. No confusions. Not like English. More than anything, you stay in Karnataka. Speak Kannada to earn fantastic new friends. Learn the language to go around Karnataka to enjoy the wonderful places. Meet people. Talk to them in Kannada. Learn new things. Appreciate the beautiful scenic places in Karnataka. Attend a Kannadiga marriage. Never miss to eat the local food. Get more job opportunities in Karnataka. Make new friends in IT and software. Do great business in Bengaluru. Remember, in one or the other point of time, you may also have to interact with government officers and administrators. It will be easy if you know Kannada. You can manage the situation. Teach your kids Kannada easily so that they study well in Karnataka, they score well in studies, they conversate with friends in Kannada, they enjoy their life here. Step 2. Learn Kannada scripts and alphabets. Yes, that's right. You would need to focus on what are the alphabets present in Kannada, even if you don't learn to write it, but first step is to get a broader picture of the script and alphabets present in the language. These are the best videos for learning Kannada letters and alphabets. Each alphabet given its usage, how to pronounce, including the word formed with that, and you get to see English meaning there. Best way to know the language. Rest becomes easy later. So the links are given in the description below. What about using numbers in Kannada? These are videos just for that. Note the links given in the description. Step 3. Start identifying Kannada letters in sentences. We have made some videos for you in which we have highlighted the typical usage of Kannada vowels in some simple Kannada sentences. So you can learn both sentences and also we have highlighted the alphabets. Check out the level 1 video below. There are 3 more videos to learn the consonants. It's level 2, 3 and 4. Also, we teach you in these videos identifying the consonants usage in some daily chart in spoken Kannada. This is what you wanted, isn't it? How sentences are constructed in Kannada. Check out the videos. Next is step 4. Learn situation-based Kannada. So we have made a conversational Kannada video, scene 1. In that, it's about how do you conversate with your Uber or Ola driver and how to use a spoken Kannada there. Right? So, for example, how do you talk about OTP in Kannada with the driver? Or how do you tell about directions to your home or office? How to speak in Kannada about payments, change, etc. And some simple verbs captured in that video. Or Scene 2, must and should for ladies who buy vegetables at different places, knowing spoken Kannada words for all vegetables and typical Kannada interactions. So how do you call each vegetable or fruits in Kannada? How to rightly pronounce them? How to ask for price in Kannada and understand what they say? And related words and sentences in Kannada and much more in this video. So are you finding difficulty to talk to a security guard at your apartment or office in Kannada? Here is a quick way to learn to speak in Kannada with them, how to interact with your office or apartment security, how to ask about parking, how to check about directions in Kannada. Many verbs in Kannada are captured in this and its different forms are given in this video, scene 3. Or how about using Kannada at bus stop or bus stand? So scene 4 is about checking about your company vehicle while at bus stop or in bus stand. Know how to inquire about platform and buses. Or Kannadiga driver in bus? Don't worry, learn few sentences to speak with him. Many more verbs in Kannada and sentences for your interaction in that situation. Or the big one, office chat in Kannada, the scene 5. It's about how to start a conversation with your colleague in Kannada. Ask name, background, or breakfast, lunch, things like that. Very casual talk about native, hometown, or check about a manager or other colleagues. So how do you say where, what, why, and who and how in Kannada language? So check this video, scene 5. Or some more typical interactions in Kannada with your friends at office. Make new friends if you know Kannada. Scene 6, casual talk with colleague, have fun using Kannada, ask about weekend plans, personal backgrounds, check about work, project or meetings, or understand if others are talking in Kannada. Learn prepositions in Kannada in this video. You can easily learn how typically you may have to interact at multiplex. Or how about talking to a lift operator in Kannada? Ask directions in a mall or multiplex. Buying at food counter. Commenting on a Kannada movie or actors. More prepositions in Kannada, more gap fillers in your Kannada spoken talk. Or how to talk with your neighbors, ladies talk. You got a nice Kannadiga family next door? Typical ladies chat in Kannada about shopping, cooking, anything, speak in Kannada. Understand if others are talking in Kannada, how do you interpret that? We teach complete spoken Kannada words in this video, scene 8. Well, men's talk in Kannada too. What about men's talk at apartment? You wanna use Kannada. Talk about job, work, office, route to office, and also kids, school and education and fees. Understand if others are talking in Kannada. Paying maintenance, numbers and plans. Also learn some timelines in Kannada in this scene 9 video. Next is step 5. Watch Kannada stand-up comedies. So we strongly suggest learning Kannada can also be through Kannada stand-up comedies. There are many of them. One of the best is Tarle Box. The link is given below in the description. As much as you watch the Kannada speakers, especially the comedy, you get to know the Kannada language as well as many words, and you have fun as well. So another great artist, Gangavati Pranesh, does awesome comedy in Kannada. The link is given in the description. Another important step, 6. Watch Kannada TV channels and shows. There are many Kannada TV channels, must be available on your set-top box. Just open some, start spending few minutes every day on Kannada TV channels. Observe their accent, words used, and start learning Kannada there. One of the best comedy shows that we recommend to you is Maja Talkies in Color Super channel. We have given link to YouTube videos of the same in comment box, or even start seeing Kannada news channels. You will quickly learn the language. The link is given below. Another important step, 7. Watch Kannada movies on OTT like Amazon Prime. So it's very crucial you watch some of the Kannada movies to learn Kannada. Diya is one very good movie available on Amazon Prime. So you watch more Kannada movies to learn Kannada easily. There is another movie called Birbal on Amazon Prime. You can watch that too. The monster hit KGF, one of the blockbuster movie. It's available on Prime Video. Watch the Kannada version of it. Not just them, there's a bunch of Kannada movies. We have given a link below to open these Kannada movies. You can also shoot your questions on Kannada in the comment box of this video. Ask any English sentence or question and we give you Kannada equivalent of it and help to pronounce it as well. So friends, we have given you all the tips, different methods, links and references to fall in love with this beautiful language Kannada. Subscribe to Kannada Magic channel to get latest videos and easy ways to learn spoken Kannada. Wish you all the best. Check out many more videos to learn Kannada and know more about Karnataka. Thank you for subscribing to Kannada Magic channel. See you again.